expand your perception of time. I show you how to do that by drawing. First, we need a frame for our time. So this is today, and I want to expand my time within 9 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 months, roughly. This is the linear time. So the time which we are measuring in our calendar with our clocks, and usually we perceive it like in a straight line, and we have kind of short time spans if we perceive time in that linear way. Let's do something about that. We'll take our pen, and this is today, and we start somewhere around this line because this is kind of eternity. So what we do is we go and draw a line within this month, which is flowing through eternity in a complete different way than the linear time. So in each month I draw my path, and as you can see, the length of this line is expanding crucially. It's completely different. So I let it flow, and what happened was a completely new impression of time. All this time is available in these upcoming 9 months. This is the linear time which keeps us in stress, and we are limited and we don't have enough time. But believe me, you can try this. If you make yourself aware of this availability of time, your perception of time changes so much that you can fill your upcoming month with all that needs to be in there for your development, for your project, for whatever topic you draw this expanding time on. there is time for everything. As you start drawing that, your plans might be visible only around like the few months, the time of now. You might be able to draw circles which are already known, something what you want to see in there. There might be something like you can intuitively put there, like in this drawing at the beginning I put like two like major nature events, like the summer solstice and the winter solstice there, because they always have some big impact on myself. And then there was something like coming up in the close now I was attracting my attention to, and there were lots of events coming up which I didn't know. And as the time went by, so in my drawing I am presently at, let me check, somewhere here now, a little bit back here, somewhere here. So as my time went by, lots of the events that were not defined, like they were white spots at the beginning, I can name them all by now. And some new ones appeared. And when I was like here in my time, something really interesting happened, because I felt this energy of a like moving energy pulling me forward, and I needed to take some decisions I wasn't aware of. I needed to let go of something and move on. And that was already in my drawing a month ago, but I didn't know that. So it's very fascinating to try that. And like now, as I said, I'm somewhere here, moving down to something more or less undefined, unknown yet. And then something new is already there, which I know. I put a new circle. It's not yet connected because it's not yet completely there. And there's something which has already started and which is going to be big here, which is my new project working with you, drawing life together weekly, offering a membership, offering people the opportunity to draw together in a group, in a guided group each week, and to transform line by line together and have an like regular appointment with themselves. Yeah, and you see there are more undefined circles, and there is this new thing, and there is also, it is embedded in a big circle. And also this big circle, I'm quite aware of what that is now. And as I go on, I color, I connect, and I'm working with that drawing already for 5 months, and there's still 4 months to go. Yeah, it's very exciting drawing. Yes. So I hope you will try expanding time by drawing yourself. And of course, you are most welcome to my new membership offer, in which we draw life together every Saturday. you have the time, the opportunity to meet a group and to commit to your own transformation on a weekly basis. I offer what I feel a very effective tool like drawing, Neurographica drawings on our path of self-development, of growth, and of transformation. So as you know, I'm passionate about all that. That's why I offer to draw, to reconnect, and to act in alignment to who we really are, more and more. So with every drawing, with every line, with every week, and with every time we focus inside, we enable ourselves to live our own truths more and more. So see you in my community. Check out the link below and in the bio. Bye bye.